Guys, in this video of YouTube marketing course, I'm going to teach you about YouTube channel membership. You might have already listened about channel membership program available on YouTube, or maybe you haven't already listened it. Now, you don't have to worry about it if you have already listened about it or not. I'm here to explain you each and every point of YouTube membership program in this video itself. Now let's directly jump into YouTube platform and I'll show you what exactly YouTube channel membership program is. Now guys, as you can see, I have opened one YouTube channel over here. I don't know whom this YouTube channel is targeting, and I don't know about the content of this YouTube channel, but I have seen one special button in this YouTube channel except subscribe button, right? So just in the right side of this subscribe button, I can see the join button in this YouTube channel. So this join button is not available on every YouTube channel. This is basically an extra feature which YouTube channels might want to turn on, or maybe they don't want to turn it on. So this totally depends on the nature of your YouTube channel and the owner of that YouTube channel, right? Now, what is the perk or what is the use of this join button? So this is basically for the YouTube membership program. Now, let's say you are the subscriber of this channel, right? You might have following this channel from past 6 months, or maybe 1 month, or maybe 1 year. And you might have seen that this channel is creating really good content, and the channel owner or the YouTuber who is handling this channel is offering some extra perks to their members, right? So if you are also want to become a member, you have to join this channel. Basically, you have to join the membership program of this channel. So how you can do that? You just need to click on this join button, and when you click on this join button, as you can see, this YouTuber is offering a membership program where you will get this loyalty badge when you comment on a live chat, or this custom emoji which you can comment on the live chat. So these are the perks which you are getting extra if you pay 159 rupee, which is roughly around $2 a month. Okay, so if you are paying $2 a month, you will become the member of this channel and you will get some extra perks directly from the YouTuber, right? Basically directly from the channel itself. So this is how YouTubers can earn some extra amount using their YouTube channel by providing membership to their subscribers, to their loyal subscribers who want some extra perk from you, right? You can provide different types of perks. It is not only about the badges and the emojis. There are some other good options as well. There are some other valuable options as well which you can provide through your membership program. Now you got to know the front end of the membership program. Like, this is how the front end looks like, where the subscriber will come, and if the subscriber finds this deal or this loyalty this membership program good or valuable, they will directly click on the join button. They will pay for the membership and they'll become the member of this channel, right? But now let me close this right now. I don't want to become the member of this channel. Now, if you are also a YouTuber and if you want to become, basically if you want to turn on this membership program on your YouTube channel, the first thing is you need to keep in your mind that there is a criteria which you need to complete. Once you complete the criteria, you will be able to see the option, basically membership option, in the earn section of your channel, right? So as you can see, I have logged in into my YouTube studio, our main channel, Marketing Fundamentals Global's YouTube studio, and here you can see in the left hand side menu, you'll be able to see the earn section. When you click here, you'll be able to see these options available here. And why I am able to see these options? Because my channel is monetized. That's why I'm able to see all these options, right? If your channel is not monetized, you'll be not able to see all these options. Now, after completing the criteria, you need to apply for the membership offer, basically membership program, and if YouTube approves your membership program, you will get this option over here, right? So when you click on memberships, you'll be able to create your own membership program. It is showing that explore next steps. So this is just giving you the glimpse of the membership program. If I click on the explore next steps, I'll be able to see all the steps which I can use in order to create my own membership program. Now, here you can see right now it is showing that 0% completed. So basically, you need to create your own membership plans. It is not like only one, like we have seen in this channel. So basically, this channel has only one membership program, right? And which is around $2 a month. But what you can do is you can create multiple programs. Like you can go up to 3 programs where like you can provide basic, intermediate and advanced level of membership, and different level has different perks, right? So how you can create that offerings, you need to click on this set up your membership offer. So just click on this start button, and here this is how the example looks like. Basically this is a template, the first level, the second level and the third level. So here you can, in the first level you can provide some loyalty badges, some emojis which this channel is providing. So this is just using the first level. They haven't created the second level or the third level where they can provide some extra perks like early access to new videos, membership shoutouts, photos and status updates, then exclusive membership only videos. So these perks can be provided to advanced levels, right? And you can charge some extra amount for the advanced levels. Now if you see, this is the level 1, right? Level 3 level, you can go up to 4 levels as well. So these are the basically templates, right? So if you just want to create only one level, then you can go with this template. If you want to create 3 level type, like you can go with this level, this option. Or let's say you want to create 4 levels, so you can go with this option. Otherwise you can start from the scratch as well, where you can create your own membership plan or membership program from the scratch, right? And here you can see some introduction video. So if you click on this, you'll be redirected to YouTube, where you can see and you'll be able to learn about levels and perks. So same thing which I'm teaching you right now. Now let's say I want to go with 3 levels membership program, where I want to provide perks to my audience on the different 3 levels, right? So in the first level I'll provide some loyalty badges and emojis, extra options over here, and if they pay some extra, then I'll provide some extra perks, and if they pay more than that, then I'll provide some advanced perks. Now let's say I want to use this template, I don't want to go with scratch right now. And if you want to go with scratch, both are the same. Basically in scratch you need to create everything from zero, but if you go with these templates, you get some pre-created details over here, right? So I'll go with 3 levels, and when I hit the next button, I'll be able to basically edit these 3 levels. So that was the template totally, right? Now I have the option to edit all these 3 levels. So what I can do is I can click on this edit button. Here I can name this level. Let's say I want to name this level bronze, right? So this is the bronze level, and the monthly price, the country or the region I've selected is India, okay? And the amount is whatever the amount you want to keep. It is totally up to you, right? Let's say I don't want to go with 90, let's go with 159, as I told you, which is roughly around $2. If you go with only 89, which is around $1 only. So I'll go with 159, right? And basically this is my bronze package, where I'm asking for 159 rupees, right? And this is basically on the India. And if you are from United States or Canada, basically if you're watching my video from United States or Canada, you will be able to see this amount into your country's currency, like Canadian dollar or US dollar, right? Now what are the perks I want to provide? So loyalty badges, right? So loyalty badges is like by default, and emojis is like by default. You can't do anything with these 2 options, but if you want, you can add some extra perks, like you can provide priority reply to comments. So this is a add-on. If you want to delete, you can delete it, or if you want to add some extra perks to this level, you can do that as well. Like I've clicked on add a perk, and here I can select the perk, which kind of perk I want to provide. I can write the title of perk, write the description and the instruction of perk. Like for example, I want to provide let me select one, membership only chat room. I want to provide this perk as well. So the type I have selected, the title is already been there, but if you want, you can change it. you can provide the description and the instruction of this perk as well, right? So this is what four perks I'm providing to my bronze members, like loyalty badges, emojis, priority reply to comments, and members only chat rooms, right? If you want to add more, you can click on the add perk and you'll be able to do that. Now hit the done button. Now bronze package is done. Now it's time to create the second level, which will be silver in my case. So I'll click on edit again. The name will be silver and monthly price will be $2.99. Okay, $2.99 is fine, right? It is almost double earlier in the basically the bronze plan. In bronze plan I'm asking for 159, so 299 is a good amount. Here what my membership will get, so first thing, they will get all the perks which is available in the bronze plan, like all those four perks, emojis and priority comments and those two extra benefits. But extra what they will get early access to new videos, membership shoutouts, photos and status updates, exclusive membership videos. If you want to delete it, you can delete it. If you want to edit these perks, you can edit it as well. And why it is here, basically I have chosen the template, that's why these four perks have been already added here. If you go with the scratch, you will not get any perks here. You need to manually add all the perks, right? So if you want to add any extra perk, you can add it. Like I want to provide discount merchandise, right? So let's say I am providing merchandises to my audience as well. So if you have subscribed to this plan, silver plan, you will get a discount. Basically you will get my merchandise on a discounted rate. So in the perks perk description, I can provide them a coupon code which they can use in order to buy my merchandise in a discount, right? So coupon code will be get 20% off. So this is the coupon code which they can apply into my website so that they can get 20% off on my merchandises. So this is the silver level. Now I want to edit the third level, which is gold level, right? So this is how you can name your levels, like bronze, silver, gold, or maybe you can go with silver, gold, diamond. It is totally up to you. Now the gold level is 2000 is a little bit higher side. I'll go with 799. 799 is enough. 2000 is way higher. So after selecting 799, here you can see what are the perks they will get. So they will get all the perks which are available in level 1 and 2, which means level bronze and silver. So gold members will get all the perks which are available in level bronze and level silver. After that, they will get connecting on social media. I'll connect with them on social media personally. Then perks unique to your audience. So this is the custom perk option you can add, but custom perk is like what extra you want to provide. This is the custom option, right? Now let me delete this. I can add here. I don't want to go with the custom perk. This is up to you, like which kind of custom perk you want to provide. And these are the pre-made or pre-created perks, like connecting on social media, gameplay with you, right? I want to offer a gameplay with you because you are the loyalist member of my channel. Then again, I want to add some extra exclusive chips. Okay, then add perk, discounted merchandises. Okay, virtual video collaboration. So this is also available here. Now these are the perks I'm providing to my gold members. Now hit the done button and my plan is ready. First one is bronze, silver and gold. Now what I can do is just hit the next button and I can submit this for review. And once YouTube's team review this, and if they are not able to find any problematic thing, like if I'm not going against their guidelines, their policies, then they will approve this and the join button will be appearing, will start getting appear in my YouTube channel. So this is how you can create your programs, membership programs, right? So I'm not going to do this right now because this is just a dummy one. I haven't created the I mean I haven't added all the details in the plans properly as per my channels now, right? So this is what the process is. This is the practical thing you need to follow. Now you get one more option over here: customize default perks. So default perk, if you remember, default perk is emoji and the badge. So you can customize those default perks as well. So if you click on this start button, you will be able to see that the default one is use generic YouTube badges. So these are the default perks, I mean the generic design of the badges. So if your member is new, they will get a this badge. If your member is 1 month old, basically they have subscribed to your membership program last month, they will get this one. If 2 months, then this one. 6 months, 12, 24, 36, 48. So this is how it's done. But if you want to provide your own custom badges, then you can create your own custom badges by uploading your own images or your own graphics using this option, right? You need to click on this upload my own, and you can see the supported formats over here. The image should be in GIF format, PNG and JPG. The minimum size should be 32 by 32 pixels. Upload size should be less than 1 MB and the aspect ratio should be 1:1, right? Here you can just click, you can directly click on the select image and you can upload the badge image over here one by one, right? So once it's done, you just hit the next button, hit the review button, and once YouTube's team review all these things, and if they don't find any issue, they will approve it. Same goes with the emoji option. Here you can create your own emoji. Here you can name that emoji. Here you can upload the image of that emoji, right? So multiple emojis can be created. Then again you need to hit the next button. Then you can submit it for review, and once the review is done, if YouTube doesn't find any issue, they will approve it, and these emojis will start appearing onto your channel. So you can upload your face, upload your funny faces, different kind of clown faces, and people will be able to use those faces as a emoji to your YouTube channel, right? Now the optional feature is like recognition on your channel page. So basically some random channel members will show into the channel page of your YouTube video. So this is totally randomly, and I recommend you to turn on this feature. There is no harm or there is no loss if you are using this feature. Even this helps to get more members for your YouTube channel. Then recognition within your video description. So again, same, YouTube chooses random members for your description as well. YouTube shows your YouTube channel members in the description part as well, like they show in the channel page. And then the member milestone chat. So this is for the live chat. The members, if they renew their subscription, their membership, they will get a custom message, highlighted message, which they can send to a live chat. So this is what some extra features is. I hope you understood how you can create your own membership program, and you can turn on the join button on your YouTube channel and start earning through YouTube's membership program. But you need to keep one more thing in your mind, that you will get only 70% of the membership revenue. Let's say you get $1,000, right? You get $1,000 from membership program. So you will get only $700. $300 will be taken by YouTube itself as a platform charge or whatever charge you want to call it. But 30% is YouTube's cut, right? Now I hope everything is clear related to YouTube membership program. If you still have any question, query, or any kind of confusion, you can comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. Now I want to take your leave. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.